Hi, I'm Renee, and I clean and organize my followers' homes for free. In this episode, I cleaned and organized the basement along with 2 tool rooms. I spent several days getting this basement ready for the neighborhood garage sale. This basement had 4 rooms that were packed full of items that had to be sorted and priced for the garage sale. These boxes were full of tools that came out of this room. In this room, I originally had to sort items by like items, paper, photos that weren't going to be sold in the garage sale. Those are in the back right corner. I did put down blue tarps so the boxes would not suck up the moisture from the cement floor and get moldy. The neighborhood garage sale was the easy part. So the backstory on this basement is, the homeowner moved across the country with his wife. Shortly thereafter, she died. The homeowner wanted everything cleaned out so he could get the basement finished. This tool room may look organized to you, but everything was packed onto the shelves and not organized. The homeowner came down and kept me company. What he really wanted was to have his tools organized so he can see everything that he had. As I sorted through his tools, he would tell me about each tool and what it was used for. I sorted like tools with like tools, screwdrivers with screwdrivers, drills with drills. None of these tools were to be sold in the neighborhood garage sale. The goal also was to empty out all of the red toolboxes to match things with like items. The rack you see outside the door is also full of tools. Now that the tool room is done, it's time to move it to its new location. So I move all of the tools into the middle room as a staging room. The 2 black racks to the right I cleaned off and used for tools. Yes, there was 1 rack left. I needed to get help to put it on dollies to be able to move it out of the room. And then I start emptying out what I called the box room. This will be the new tool room. Originally, this room had boxes all the way to the ceiling, all the way to the door. I had cleaned that out earlier before the garage sale. Time to make this tool room easily accessible so the homeowner can see all of his tools. The homeowner decided to come down to the basement and keep me company. It was a pleasure to listen to all of his stories from his youth. Back by the furnace, I'm putting all Christmas items. So as I was putting the box room into its new location, I made sure that there was a blue tarp down, so again the water did not seep into any of the cardboard boxes. And as I put them in the box room, I sorted photos in one area, business papers in another, and other like items together. So yesterday I had put all the tools in the tool room from the first tool room. Today I'm taking all the boxes that were in one of the middle rooms that did not sell in the garage sale and putting them back on the shelves. The homeowner originally wanted to sell the boxes that were in the middle room. However, once they did not sell, he wanted them back into his inventory. The boxes just keep coming. Over 100 screwdrivers, dozens of drills and grinders, many that were still in boxes, and thousands of fasteners. So again, I lay down a plastic sheet. And what's in these boxes are towels and blankets and sheets that did not sell in the neighborhood garage sale. The homeowner is going to take those to the local animal shelter. So now I'm just cleaning up after the garage sale. The homeowner continues to tell stories about his childhood as he keeps me company. Moving on to what I called the furniture room. This was the furniture that did not sell or they did not want to have sold, and all of his wife's clothes. His wife's clothes were originally to be sold in the neighborhood garage sale, but at the last minute, he chose not to sell them. And yes, in the boxes was more tools. I had a company come out and collect all of the trash. I'm so glad I could help this family. I hoped you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Get ready for the reveal. The box room. The furniture room. The middle room. the middle room, the final tool room reveal. The homeowner, his daughter, and granddaughter were thrilled about how clean and organized the basement looked.